esteemed chair of the session, Dr. Chandrasekhar Kumar, dignitaries in the dais and of the dais. The time is very short period is given. In a nutshell, I want to explain about automation. Actually, we are going to implement a mission. Odisha government, there are two things. One is employment exchange and employment mission. But the near project of government of Odisha under employment technical education and training department, and Dr. Chandrasekhar Kumar being the secretary, he is the guiding force, and with his able leadership, it is a very successful project in Odisha. The basic motto of this employment mission is training, placement, and putting the trained manpower in the public domain. So the state has given much initiative for skill development training program. So our program is how the lower qualified youths, just like a Mali driver, they are captured online. They are imparted training by PIS. That is the training partners of government of Odisha. And after imparting training, they are given suitable jobs, and their payment is made online. And after this, all this accessing bodies are identified by government of Odisha. They are registered online through the system, and they make access all assessment of this trainings by the by the training partners, and finally the certificate is given. This is the entire workflow. So we have developed three projects: MIS for PLTP placement linked training program, the MIS for assessment of training under PLTP and OSCM, then automation and implementation that I will not touch today. So Odisha State Employment Office aims at bringing all this transparency and speedy and transparency into the system. It makes process easy, starting from candidates, PIA, project implementing agency, registration, training, and placement verification. It also saves exchequer from paying incentives to training providers for unscrupulous candidates by preventing duplicate candidates there. So what happened, the duplicate candidates we are registering, one candidate can register multiple times. This system was facilitated to check the duplicate candidate also. So the various stakeholders are Odisha State Employment Mission, Project Implementing Agency, PIS, then training centers. Under the PIS, training centers are there. Then district employment officers posted by government of Odisha in each district. And then job seeker, basically the lower qualified youths here are the job seeker. Then accessing bodies identified by government of India and also registered by government of Odisha. So this, how it helps the government? It makes government OSM the job monitoring on fingertips. Before that, it was very difficult to monitor the projects because youths, they want to get job, but they are not getting the opportunity. If there is an advertisement paper, they are very difficult to track it. So in this open system, in this a portal is developed so that they can register online. After registering online, they can give preferences like any subject like electrician, Mali, driving. So there are different institutes also they can give, so that they will be suitable observed by the training partners, and they are imparted training in various skill development programs. And after the end, their biometric attendance also uploaded to the system. So this brings transparency into the system, checks spurious and duplicate candidates. One candidate, earlier what happened, they are getting food and also shelter for this. One candidate who are taking registered in different programs. That is a duplicate candidates in a common database. Duplicate candidates are checked and that can be verified, and that government money is saved. So these are the various activities how they are taken. It's how it helps with training providers, PIS. PIN can register themselves online and get approved by OSM. Once they register online, they get approved by the Odisha State Employment Mission. And PI can add training programs, various training programs, training centers, they can add on. Then PI can upload, register the mobilized candidates information to the portal, counseling, batch creation, etc. They can create a batch and they can finalize the candidates, they can upload to the portal. So these are the various activities, and ultimately at the end, one SMS alert goes to the candidates and also the PIS. How it helps with citizen. This is the most important thing, how it helps the citizen. Because job seeker, they are the main problem, unemployed is the main problem, and also unemployed with lack of skill development, that is the major challenge. So job seeker can get information of various training programs available and other related information from the website. Job seeker can register online by his own or can contact DO, District Employment Officer, and PIA concern. Once candidate is registered online, then he gets notification through email or SMS. Then mission statistics can be verified by the job seeker, where he can track where the job, and ultimately it is connected to the job portal. They are ultimately suitably absorbed by the job providers, and they get the job. So different processes it takes place. Batch creations are there, job seeker registration, all the various processes are given. So this is the front page of this. The public dashboard system is there, so that any assembly question type, any RTI question from instantly how many candidates applied, how many candidates are enrolled, how many trained, all the details can be given. Then courses offered. Then this is the job seeker training provided. They can register online and can get access to the internet portal and work on this. So functionality Odisha State Employment Mission, how it all the dashboard is there, State Employment Dashboard. Total PIs 57, total training centers, all these detailed statistics can be available through this portal. Then how SMS alert is given. Then various reports, so MIS reports are available, placement reports, list of PIs, list of PI centers. Then functionality. Then training provider dashboard is there. All the reports are available. Accessing body major thing, because there is nobody to control whatever quality of training program is given, whether any duplicate thing is given. So accessing body, they are registered online. Once a training batch is completed, the accessing body, they can capture the database online through this portal, and they can access and complete their target, whether this there is a quality of this training or not. Now at the end, they are provided certificates. This is various forms and various reports are available. Okay. So this is all about. So our proposed system is that this will be extended to various other skill development training programs like tourism department, Panchayat Raj, then SC/ST and other department. So that there is a centralized database and any duplicate and spurious candidates can be verified through this system. This is all about employment exchange, and the employment exchange I don't want to say anything. This is on the process. Thank you very much. This is developed in open source technology with PGSQL and PostgreSQL and PHP and Drupal, and also Enterprise DB we are working. Thank you.